lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone.
Since the last video, I fitted a Sunstrip, some Instagram handle stickers and glitter. These are from SK Graphics, which I'll leave a link to in the description. You can do anything, he's great with gel badges and all sorts. I've sanded and polished this, make it nice and shiny, because that was looking rather faded. That didn't take long. I didn't actually get any footage of that though, but it's easy, it's just sanding, polishing, not a lot. Rotogrid V's, vents, 3D printed, sanded and lacquered, sweet. And I fitted some purple dash lights. You won't be able to see in this light, but you can see the odometer. The clock does have one behind it as well, and so do the heater dials. I've got footage of doing the heater dials and that, but I don't have footage of doing this, but I'll show you how to take it apart. So let's get into it.
My best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me through. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.
So now we're going to try and get this out. Change the green bulbs for some purple LEDs so they match the rest. It looks better in person than on camera, but these stay green. Don't know if you'll see it in this light. Nope. The clocks, I've changed the bulbs to purple, and I've done the actual clock in the centre. And I just need to do all these heater controls. So now I'm going to work on getting those out. I didn't record this, but it's so easy to do. I might just take it apart to show you how to do it. All you got to do take the 3 screws out underneath here, and then once these 3 screws are out, mine are never in anyway because it sort of holds itself there. That top pops off. Bottom pulls out. Then you just get your hand in there, pull that side, get your finger just behind that bit there, just pull it towards yourself. There we go. That was probably a bit more aggressive than I needed to be. And then there's 4 Phillips screws. One there, one there, one there, and then one there. And then you lift those clips off, which just pull out by pressing in the little white tabs. But that happens when you pull it out, and then the bulbs literally take a quarter turn and they're straight out. It'll take you no more than 10 minutes to change all the bulbs. But you got to remember that LEDs are polarity sensitive most of the time. So if you put them in one way, they'll work. If you put them in the other way, they won't. But how easy this is, you just put them in without testing. They won't blow them if you put them backwards. Then just, if they don't work, rip it off again, turn it round. Sorted. You best to do it at night or put something over the windscreen so you can see. To get the clock out, the easiest way I've found is if you get 2 fingers in the pocket, just pull it to the side, you'll get it out. And then the white plug at the back, which has just come undone as I've undone it, you just have to press this white tab in at the side to get it to come out more. And then once you've got it out, your bulb fits in there. It's a quarter turn again. This is a T5 bulb. And then that's that purple then. But the next thing I want to do is I want to change these. So now let's try and work on getting all that out. Right, so I'm going on a journey of discovery myself because I don't know how you take this off. But what you do is, that's like that for you right now. I took my stereo out, but I don't think you'd need to. That for you is like that, with all these on. So, what I did, got my Wallet Ninja, which is battered and bruised, and just popped them off. All 3 of the knobs, and then the circulate slider. Just pop that off, and then I got the Wallet Ninja in again in the back here, and then just pulled it, and it just all clipped out, and then wiggled it up and down, and then that's out then. I don't know if it would be different if you've got AC. Then the 2 bulbs are down here, 2 T5s. You just want to take them out, swap them for purple ones or whatever colour you go in. So I've got the first bulb out. Here's the LED, and you'll see what I mean by it only works one way. I pulled out the first bulb using some pliers. I might even reinsert it with pliers, I don't know. Let's just see, that doesn't work that way, the way I've got it in. But now I'll get the pliers, pull it out, turn it around 180 degrees, flip the poles, and then I'm going to push this back in. Hopefully it should work. Yeah, much better. Much more even spread of light as well. It's much brighter than the green counterpart. Oh, you can see that like at daytime, that's great. Right, let's take out the other green one. I don't know if you should be doing this while it's on, but what's 12 volt lighting circuit going to do to you really? The worst thing you're going to do is probably blow a fuse. Well, yeah, I'm putting them both in the wrong way up. Yeah. Right, now reassemble it. Push whatever plug you've got going into the back of your AC switch in. I believe if you've got an AC, if you have AC, that should just look exactly like that, but here, because I don't have it, this is just a blanking plug that sits over the front. So, push it back in. So I've done the odd bit underneath the engine bay. I fitted this induction kit, which is just some 2.5 inch stainless steel, some L brackets straight onto the MAF. Already had the cone filter, that's just temporary. Ignore this for now, they will be addressed in a later video on what that is. It's exciting. I've changed the HT leads for some purple ones, as the last ones were absolutely terrible. They were falling to pieces. I went to change the spark plugs and I pulled this one out and it left the spring that's inside this bit. It left the spring that was inside there in the spark plug down the bottom. But now I've changed all the spark plugs and changed the HT lead. You can get all custom colours off a guy on eBay who does a really good job, and these are really high quality. Pretty good. I'll probably leave a link in the description below because I actually recommend getting some.
Yes, it's time to get better.